Hello everyone, it's me, NYSE Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange on June 26th. I think it is Wednesday, it's hump day, and quite a fascinating week. These markets are up and down and volatile and green and red all in one day. What used to take months to happen are happening within an intraday trading day. So where are we at? We've got good sizable volume coming in. Let's be clear where we're at here. So we are at the end of a quarter. We are at the end of the half. We've gone through an S&P rebalance and a Russell rebalance. So there's money being moved around in a huge way. What is the overriding situation that's really governing the movement of this market? I just kind of think it's an end of a quarter. You've got a market that's up 1.4% for the quarter, 4.7% for the year. You've got NASDAQ trading at super high levels, Russell in fact also. So you're seeing some profit taking. That's my gut. We're also, I mentioned to you last week that there are these notes coming out about pension fund rebalancing. So you have to realize there are trillions and trillions of dollars in these pension funds that have to reallocate, take profits, hedge themselves up at the end of a quarter, end of the half, to protect themselves. Okay, so you're going to have the outperformers being sold, and you're going to have fixed income being bought. So it's a complete removement of money being shifted around in large quantities. So what we've seen that we haven't seen for a while is a Russell sell-off and the S&P sell-off. The S&P, so let's talk about the day. We came in today and it was solid. Market felt like there was a bid in it. We were at 24.3. We were out up to 24.5 or so. We opened the market up about 100, and then the market just proceeded to catch bids. There was stock being bought across the board, whether it was tech, whether it was banks, or whether it was whatever. They loved the market, and they took the market from up about 50 or 60 pre-mark. Now, early morning, the market was down 150. Then they reversed on something that came out of Washington. And then we opened the market up. We were up about 50, and then they proceeded to take the market up. Was there a lack of sell side? Perhaps. Maybe the sellers were sitting around waiting. It was like that great scene in Trading Places. Let the buyers buy, and then when you decide to hit that gas pedal, let's go. They took the market up 300 points. And then we saw the market turn on a dime. It was around 11 o'clock. I don't think, some people said it was some stuff coming out about China and tariffs and trade, perhaps. What catalyzed it, I do not know, but this market reversed. Complete mirror image on the rest of the day. So we had a big green morning till 11 o'clock. Tech reversed. Tech closed down 52, Russell closed down 30 handles, S&P down 25 handles, transport's down 150, Dow Jones Industrial Average down 170. So we've had a 700-point move in volatility throughout the day. We're up 300, we sold off, we went down 157, they rallied them back about 120 points to down 40, posted out $2 billion to sell and closed down and closed at the lows at 160. Oil sustained an outrageous rally that we've had in the last 2 days, up 10% in 2 days, up 4 yesterday, up another 2 today, not fazed by the reversal in this market whatsoever. Gold off a bit. I don't think that's significant. Rally in the dollar. So what is going on? I really don't think it's anything more than pension fund rebalancing, sell the outperformers, buying fixed income to hedge themselves up at the end of the quarter, end of the half. I think that's what's significant. So we've seen any positive move in the market rebuffed by a sell side, meaning that they're letting the buyers buy and then they're coming in and selling the stock. Today it was catalyzed probably by a tech reversal. That's possible. And then we've got the pension fund sellers coming in and doing that. I don't think it's any more than that. I think July is going to be back to solid mode. I think we're going to catch a bid. You know, yes, we have seen 8 out of 11 days for sale. We're still above 24,000. I think that's significant. I kind of think it's profit taking at the end of the half. I think it's hedging up in the pension fund market. I think it's a little bit of a reversal and a sell of the outperformers, buy of the underperformers. I'm sticking with that story, whether you like it or not. Inside Bergstoff, NYSE Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. I'll see you tomorrow.